That's what I'm assuming. Okay, that's it. Only so we have 6, 21, and 25 today, and it's me. My chance for circle time.
Ma'am, Aisha's video.
You know what? I'll start. So I have this. I'll show you.
Ma'am, circle time.
Yeah, we are doing it. Mobile. Very good. That's an alliterative sentence right there. Muhammad Mohammadi. Excellent work. His name is only alliterative, so he will ace at it. Muhammad Mohammadi. Muhammad Mohdi. Muhammad Mohdi. Anyway, you should actually
Black
make
man loves black color.
Batman loves black color. Yes.
No,
Yes,
Ma'am,
black man.
black
Black man.
man loves black.
Abdullah, speak.
Ma'am, Superman flies in the sky and then lands on the seashore.
Superman flies in the sky,
Ma'am,
lands on the seashore.
Batman
Yes.
like
Now everybody will
Batman.
start with the Batman. Yes. Think of something else. I see
Batman
Ma'am,
Batman.
I have
likes
in Hindi.
black
Ma'am,
bat.
I have
No,
in
no.
Hindi.
No.
Superman flies very high and then jump in the sea, middle of the sea.
Let's think of something of our own. It's good to get inspired by people, but then it's better to create.
Ma'am, can I say one more?
Yes.
A samurai rode with a stallion with his sharp sword.
Oh, that's an amazing sentence right there. Alliterative sentence. Very good, Abdullah.
What,
Okay.
what man?
A samurai rode his stallion with a sharp sword. You see all the S. Okay. So
Ma'am,
now.
Aquaman went to an aquarium for being active.
Yes, I like that.
It was not an alliteration.
It is. Of course it is. Okay, so you see, alliteration, like I mentioned earlier, is used for three purposes. Okay, you either describe somebody, you either use it for humor, or you talk about somebody's character. Describing basically means appearance. Okay, so there are certain examples. Yes, there are certain examples given over here. Okay, like you see, there is a picture of this goat. So, in order to describe the appearance of the goat, the alliterative sentence is the glossy coat of the gentle goat glistened in the gloaming. Okay, so that is showing you the appearance of the goat, right? And when it comes to humor, if you want to make it a funny sentence, the green goat gobbled gooseberries. Okay, so it's like ate up all the gooseberries. Then, in order to show the characteristic of a goat, the grumpy goat groaned grossly. Okay, so that's how it is. How about you make sentences? So it can be any. Okay, your sentence could have either a purpose of describing an appearance, it could be humorous, or it could be describing somebody's characteristic. Okay, think about it. I have few examples I'm going to read out. So first one is humor.
Ma'am,
Okay, yeah, go ahead, Abdullah.
I can also say a humor.
Okay, humor.
A grumpy old grandma was groaning for food.
A grumpy old grandma was groaning for food. Very good. Yes,
Ma'am,
Umar.
the man was mad for the mad game.
The man was mad for the mad game because he lost the mad game. Yes, that's good. Okay. So you are talking about character, huh, now? Because we are talking about mood and everything. So Umar's sentence is describing the character. How about one on appearance? Somebody, we got humor, we got character. Give me appearance.
It could only be a human or it could be a thing also.
Anything.
Thing.
Yeah, anything. But the purpose of the sentence should be describing appearance. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
A soft sheep ate the grass.
A soft sheep. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
a boy with blonde hair, a boy with blonde hair and a bright T-shirt with blue jeans.
Wow. A boy with blonde hair, bright t-shirt, and blue jeans walked by me. Okay, or walked past me. That's a very brilliant way of giving an alliterative sentence with appearance. Okay. So the three examples that I have. First one, let's start with humor. I want others to think. Come on, Anas, Aisha Kazi, Aisha Aga, Muhammad Mohammadi, Hamza. Okay. So when I say Hamza, I have a humorous alliteration for Hamza. Hungry Hamza hogged onto hummus and pita bread. Okay, so that's one.
And
Second,
that's only one because there is only one Hamza in here.
yes, and that's my Hamza, that's you. Okay. Second is about his character. Okay. So Hamza happily shared his handbook with his friends. So that's one alliterative sentence showing that Hamza is helpful. Then when we talk about appearance, healthy Hamza looked handsome in his tuxedo. So
In
there
his
I am-
what, ma'am? In his
tuxedo.
Ma'am, you saw the Tuxedo movie, Jackie Chan only?
No, is it good? I like
Yes,
Jackie
ma'am,
Chan
it is
movies,
very
you know.
funny.
It's humorous.
Ma'am, the mark on
Very
the
minutes
mask
away.
was
Ma'am, I
marked.
got one.
Ma'am,
Active, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Active Alfia active to show the active children that she was active.
That is repetition. How I love the sentence, but I wish it was alliteration.
ma'am,
Don't you know?
a mark on a mask was marked by a man.
That is alliteration. So different words starting with the same alphabet, removing a particular sound. Okay, that's alliteration.
Ma'am, amazing. Alfia got active when she saw BTS.
Oh, that's alliteration. Yes. Okay, how about Aisha, Anas? Go ahead, give it a try. Hamdan, Hamza, Muhammad Mohammadi.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I
Ibrahim.
say?
Yes, Ibrahim.
I see Ibrahim got intelligent and he started to irritate once he ate the ice cream.
Very good.
Ma'am, this is an
Ibrahim is
alliteration.
intelligent and
alliteration.
irritating at the same time. Yeah.
Ma'am, can
Aisha
I
Kazi.
say?
Yeah.
The grass was green when the goat was gobbling in the green grass.
Very good. That's a good one. Anas,
Ma'am,
go
can
ahead.
I say?
Anas, we'll hear it from Anas.
Ma'am, she sells on the seashore.
So, yes, that is a tongue twister. How about you make one sentence of your own?
Ma'am, the innovative Ibrahim invented the ice cream.
Oh, that's
Ma'am,
good. Yeah, yeah.
the
go ahead.
scientific,
Mhm.
ma'am, the scientific, no, wait, I forgot.
Write it down. You know, you'll able to remember. Try writing it. Yes, yeah, yeah.
The toy boy has a thumbs up because he loves his thumb.
The toy boy has his thumbs up.
Ma'am, Adventurous Alfia got amazed when she saw the animal. Ma'am, I got it. I
Yes,
got
that's
it.
so nice. Adventurous Alfia got amazed when she saw the animal.
Ma'am, the scientific solution said the solar system was wrong.
Ma'am, can I say?
That's right. There is an alliterative sentence.
Ma'am,
Very good, Juvelia.
I
You
take
know what?
my
I want to read Hamdan's reply. Bilal with big black boots got on a bus and went to Bangalore. Hamdan, you don't fail to amaze me, child. Excellent. Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, I take my shampoo and squish my hair to make it silky and shiny.
Very good. Right there. S, consonant S, and the sound sir being repeated. Okay. Now that we've got enough
Ma'am,
of
can I say,
examples,
ma'am, can I
yes,
say?
please, Aisha Aga, I would love to hear
I
from you.
saw that could outsaw any other saw I ever saw.
I know, but the sentence, the word saw is being repeated, Aisha. That is repetition. That's not alliteration.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am, I bought boat because it looks big.
Yes, that is alliteration. You see, the word be is describing. Now,
Ma'am,
before-
I have one. Jumpy Juveria loves the
story Jack and the Beanstalk.
Ma'am,
Loves the juicy juice. Juicy
Love the
melon.
juicy
Bunny
burger.
Jordan and
What? Michael Jordan. Wow.
ma'am, the big boat
attacked a big harbor and took big loads of big money. Big
No,
gold.
that's
Can
not
I say?
alliteration. That's
Ma'am,
not alliteration.
big boat.
The word big is repeated. That becomes repetition.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
So
the
repetition
big
is one
boat.
figure of speech and alliteration is one figure of speech.
ma'am,
Ma'am, the
Alliteration
big
is
boat.
only the Ibrahim, time out. Okay, so alliteration is something where only the alphabet or the letter is repeated and it removes a sound. All right, that is alliteration. If you make the word repeat big again, that's not alliteration. Ibrahim, you may speak now.
The big boat bumped into the bright sea.
That's right. That right there is
Ma'am, can I
alliteration.
say
Umar.
one?
Piper picked a peck of pickles.
Pepper.
Very good. Yes, that's tongue twister.
Ma'am,
All the tongue twisters are alliteration. Yes. Aisha,
Ma'am, can I say?
A cat cuddled near the cutlery that was colorful.
that's good. Is your cat cuddling near the cutlery that's colorful?
No,
No.
I made it up.
Oh, that's lovely. Abdullah is awesome in alliteration.
That bug bit a big
Yes, so
black
are you. Hamdan Fazlani says Abdullah is
Ma'am.
awesome in alliteration. Abdullah, you got a compliment from Hamdan Fazlani.
Thank you.
How sweet is that? Yes, yeah.
Ma'am,
This is the kind of positivity. This 1 minute, yeah, sorry, but I just love this moment so much. This is the kind of positivity and appreciation I want in my rights. You know, it's going to
can
be
I
nothing
please
but
say one?
unity. Yes, I hear it from Yaya and I'll come to you, Aisha.
they took a bottle of Zurika to the zoo.
This took a water and they can do. Okay, good one. Aisha Aga. Yeah.
The big bad bear scared all the baby bunnies by the bushes.
Wow, that's brilliant. That's amazing. I feel
It's like a tongue twister.
yes, it's
I
like
saw a saw that could
outsaw all
any
the other
saw
saw.
I ever
Yes,
saw.
yes.
Ma'am, I picked up seashells on the seashore
Oh,
on a
Abdullah
sea
is
holiday.
awesome in alliteration. Oh, Abdullah, sorry, we just felt happy for nothing. He gave an example of alliteration saying
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
golden.
One more.
मैम चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी
नहीं, चंदू के
खिलाई
चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को
Yeah.
चांदी रात में चांदी के
Ma'am,
चम्मच
the golden.
से चटनी
Ma'am,
Juveria.
the golden gazelle has eyes like glitter.
That's good. Okay, so two things I want to say right now.
Ma'am, I want to
First
say
of all, Hamdan's was not a compliment, it was a sentence where he said Abdullah is awesome in alliteration. So A. That was an example of alliteration. Second, it is Chandu ki chachi ne Chandu ki chachi ko Chandni raat mein Chandni chowk mein Chandni ki chamach se chatti chadai.
that only I said, ma'am. But he said it more speed.
Yes, Aisha. Yes, Aisha.
Go and gather the green leaves on the grass.
Abdullah, speak, and then I have a video for you. Come on.
a mischievous Muhammad was mourning for food.
Mischievous Muhammad was mourning for food, and I hands down agree with that. Okay, let's have a look at this video.
Ma'am, mourning for mood.
Mourning for mood. just for the sake of adding M, yeah, don't make let's not make nonsensical sentences. Okay, it was a comment turned into alliteration. Now Hamdan is playing safe, huh? Abdullah, now he doesn't want to hurt us.
Active
He's
India
saying,
acted like
consider it as a
amazing
compliment also.
Ma'am, tongue twister. It's himself is alliteration. Tongue twister.
Yes, tongue twisters are alliteration. Tongue twisters are the best example of alliteration. Come on, on the radio.
Oh, ma'am, spelling is only alliteration.
Sorry? Tongue twisters. All right. You know the best part is when she says that nothing's in my way and she bumps into the horse. That's very funny.
For the first time in forever, I wrote in the chat.
And ma'am, the ballrooms without
Ma'am,
balls.
I wrote that she will fall in the boat now.
Yes, Abdullah, good observation. Okay.
With that
so-
Hans, the villain.
The heart-
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, you did
Yeah.
it.
For
Tell me. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. But is it something that you wish to speak?
Ma'am, she told
Come on,
I
look
can't
at this.
कुछ she
I have the lyrics, okay, for the first time in forever. I want you all to identify the alliteration. Come on, identify alliteration from this.
I suddenly see him standing
Raise
there.
your hand, raise your hand. No, 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 we're not selling fishes. Yes, Aisha Aga.
Oh, I suddenly see him standing there.
Yes. Oh, I
Alfia
suddenly
ma'am.
Beautiful
see him standing.
stranger, tall and fair.
Yeah, yeah, 1 minute. Aisha Kazi, yeah.
I can't on my video. Is it okay?
Abdullah, what were you saying?
Beautiful stranger, tall and fair. Is also
A,
alliteration.
a beautiful stranger, tall and fair. The sound of A, okay.
B all yeah. No ma'am, sorry.
What else? And then, of course, like Anna said, the F for the first time in forever. Okay, there'll be magic and there'll be fun. But you know, this sentence will not be considered as alliteration, the second one. Though it has fun, but what happens is there are too many words in middle, so fun becomes a little afar from the repeated sound of F that is being made in the first sentence. So the second sentence is not alliteration, but the first one is. Okay, so that's it for you. And I have an activity. It's a challenge. Okay, so what you have to do right now is so this is a challenge. Alliteration is when two or more words, we all know what is alliteration. For example, houses in hurricane. All right, so the H sound is repeated. Now I want you all to make alliterative words describing these types of houses. So caravan, flats, house, castle, bungalow, cave. Come on, let's make alliteration for
I
these.
didn't understand what you
So
said.
these are types of houses.
Ma'am, can
These are types of
I stay with
houses.
the caravan?
1 minute. These are types of houses. You have to make alliteration for these types of houses.
For all one.
All.
Ma'am, can I say for the caravan
No, no,
after
make for all
Aisha?
first. You know what? I'll give chance. First, I want all of you all to make. Yeah.
I have to make one sentence from all or one different from.
No, no, you don't have to make a sentence. Like how we have, like how my name is Active Alfia right now, and then we have IC Ibrahim. So for these different types of houses, give an make it an
The cliff of the cliff of the Cape Plum and Collide.
No, 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 no. I don't want a
Ma'am,
sentence. I
the
want
caravan
names.
was carrying.
I want names of these houses to be alliterative.
Cruel caravan,
Ma'am,
Plaguey
flat,
flat.
flat,
Plaguey
and
flat.
haunted house,
Parvin,
crystal castle,
Plaguey flats. Plaguey
Juveria.
flats.
We'll go with Juveria. Nobody speak except for Juveria.
Ma'am, after
Juveria,
Juveria, please.
listen to me, children, first. Listen to me.
cru-
I will not take one example. I want you all to give names for all these types of houses. So when I'm giving you chance, you have to give me alliterative names for all. Okay? Juveria, we're starting off with Juveria. Go ahead.
cruel caravan,
Okay.
fat flat, haunted
Flats,
house,
okay. Haunted house.
crystal castle, and beginner Bangalore, and
Big bungalow, okay. And
carved cave.
carved cave. Okay, very good. That's alliteration right there. Let's see who goes next. Who's raising the hand? Ibrahim, yes, go ahead.
Yes,
Come on.
ma'am. The caravan was carrying cereals.
Ibrahim, did you not hear what Juveria did? I don't want sentences. I want alliterative names. Come on, for these houses, give me alliterative names.
Cliffy cave.
Okay, Umar, you go ahead. Start. Then, if you speak, you have to say for all. Remember that. That's the reason I'm giving you time to think and then answer. Who would like to go?
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am,
for
can I say one from
Ma'am,
bungalow?
I got for
I want
Boring
one. I want
bungalow.
all 6.
Ma'am, I said
Ma'am.
all 6.
Yes, you
I
did,
just
Julia.
have.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say?
trying to change boring bungalow.
Boring bungalow. Okay, fine. All right. Aisha Kazi, go ahead. For all 6, huh, Aisha?
Read for all.
Okay.
For
After
all.
Aisha, Omar. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Camping caravan, finished
Wow.
flags,
Yes.
Halloween house,
Halloween house. Lovely.
colorful castle, mm,
Ma'am, after Aisha Kazi, me.
Actually, after Umar, it will be you.
busted
And after
bungalow,
Mohammed, me.
Busted bungalow.
busted bungalow,
Woo! Lovely.
and
Bonnie Cave.
Orny cave. Oh my god, I love this. I love that. Aisha Kazi, very good. Aisha. Omar, let's go with you.
Creepy cave, buggy bungalow, creepy castle.
Wow.
Not me. He said all my lines.
Himalayan house, fluffy flat.
Lovely flat. That's nice. And for caravan?
Caravan.
Hmm?
Airy caravan.
Airy caravan. Okay. Mohammed, would you like to go?
No, ma'am. Omar said maximum of my stuff.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. How did you all sink so much? Abdullah, let's go ahead.
ma'am, I got
But,
one for the
Mohammed,
cave.
Give me the few ones that you thought were different. What was different from Umar? Come on
Ma'am,
now. Yeah.
floppy flats.
Floppy flats. Okay.
Okay. And that B. And cozy caravan.
Cozy caravan and bizarre bungalow. That's what you were saying.
No.
Then
Bonker bungalow.
uncle bungalow. Okay, so these 3 were different from that Umar said. Rest all
Yes.
was same. All right, Abdullah, let's go with you.
Ma'am, I got for the cave, cholesterol cave.
Cholesterol.
Ma'am, I
That's nice.
decided. Ma'am,
Okay, after
Creeping
Abdullah, we come to
caravan.
Ibrahim. Yeah.
Creeping caravan.
Which
Flaky
caravan?
flags. Hanging house.
Ah.
What I did?
ma'am,
What I thought
can
from
I
Basim?
say after Ibrahim?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's 55.
I will say bungalow
Later.
guys.
Okay.
Reef bungalow and cannon cave.
And Castle.
Cave.
Ma'am, can I go?
Ma'am, can
So
I
we have
say?
Ibrahim,
I
Yahya,
forgot
and then Anas. Okay, no problem.
forgot
Ma'am.
All right, no problem. Ibrahim, go ahead.
Cunning caravan, and
Ah.
then ma'am, I do not have a flats, but I
ma'am,
have
cunning
a
castle.
house.
Castle.
Cunning castle. See, both of them. Yes.
And then of house.
Ma'am, I was going to do cunning caravan.
No problem.
Cunning
I'll still
caravan,
consider.
then horror house, then क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या बोलते हैं? How am I supposed to know?
I forgot. 1 minute. I thought of bungalow and castle. I did not do of flats, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me then, bungalow. How about colossal castle?
No.
Colossal
not
means
colossal.
huge, very big, enormous. Colossal castle. Okay. Then bungalow.
Then barbarian bungalow.
I like it.
And then creepy cave.
Wow, it suits so well. Yes, good work.
And of castle, I have colorless castle.
Because Aisha Kazi made it colorful, you made it colorless again. Okay.
I don't have a flag.
Okay. Yeah, let's go with it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, caravan, that Ibrahim told na cunning caravan. Then flats, fishy flats, hairy house, caring castle, then bunny bungalow, and then coal cave.
Very good, very good. Anas?
Ma'am, I have a flats, Finny flats.
Finicky.
Ma'am, can I go?
Yes.
Ma'am, creative caravan.
Yes.
Ma'am, funny flats.
How cute.
Ma'am, house. Ma'am, a house is haunted and decorated with Halloween. It is in Honolulu, United States. And
That is
ma'am,
such a good alliteration sentence. But I'm looking at what? Alliterative words. Still I'll consider. Come on, Castle.
ma'am, bingo bungalow, and ma'am, cast castle
Cast castle. Okay.
and coffee cave. Coffee
Coffee
cave.
cave. Wow, I would love to visit that cave. Okay, so one child has a creepy cave, which I don't want to go to, and then one child has a coffee cave, which I would love to go to. Yeah.
Ma'am, now another one will tell now, so they will tell chocolate cave.
Yeah. Oh, how smart can you be?
Do you want to go in my haunted house?
Ma'am,
No.
Ma'am,
I cannot
Candy
survive.
Castle.
Hot house.
Castle
Ma'am,
candy. Yeah.
Candy
Candy
Castle.
castle. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, do you want to visit my caring castle?
Yes. You want to go ahead? Come on. We take from Aisha and we end the class. All right. So it was a good.
People live in caravans.
Yes, they do. So, Abdullah, people who love taking road trips and exploring the world, but it's too expensive that way to go by flights and stay in hotels and all. So they carry the caravan with them. And also,
Ma'am, the caravans are nice. They
are lovely. They are amazing. So people out and abroad in US, I have seen on the internet, they actually buy the old school buses at a very cheaper price, and they make the interiors, they remove the seat and everything, and the interiors they make it as their own caravan.
They paint and they create fridges and kitchens
Also,
and bed.
a lot of celebrities across the world, they travel in the caravan.
Like in limousine, ma'am.
Limousine is different. Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, a caravan has beds and kitchen.
It has bed, it has kitchen, it has it has a loo.
It has tubs. Yes, it has.
Okay, let's listen to Aisha Aga. Let's listen to Aisha Aga. Come on. Which? Can you be a little louder, Aisha?
Cooking caravan.
Cooking caravan, lovely. Then?
Catering flats.
Cluttering flat, alright.
Haunted house.
Haunted house, yeah.
Creepy castle.
Definitely.
Black bungalow.
Back bungalow. Oh, that's a good one. That actually is.
Like camper van, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, what bungalow? What
Back bungalow. Back bungalow.
Back
Bat
I
or
go for
back?
caravan. Ma'am, can I say for caravan?
1 minute. We'll let Aisha Aga speak. And cave?
Pool cave.
Pool cave. Okay, that's lovely.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I speak? Ma'am, camper caravan.
Camper caravan. Okay. Yes, Hamza.
Hungry house?
Hungry house.
Castle?
Which castle?
Castle?
Huh?
Candy cave?
Okay.
Beautiful bungalow?
Good one.
Fascinating flat?
Fascinating flag. Wow. Love it. And?
Chocolate caravan?
Yaya had predicted this.
Hasty house.
Yaya was like, somebody said Candy Castle. No, the other one.
Cave. I have one for cave.
Tell me.
Cunning caves.
Right, we use the word. Okay, so it was a good
Ma'am,
class,
cat
and I'll
caravan.
see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow,
maybe
Jagdish.
tomorrow
Love
you
this
have a
class.
guest.
Bye, ma'am.
You
Bye,
have
ma'am.
guest. Hush. You have a guest speaker tomorrow. Come on.
Tomorrow's guest
Which
Muhammad left.
guest, ma'am? Which guest?